Good morning. Fibers are asynchronous. While do methods can have access to the surrounding class, this causes tight coupling and limited scope. Take service custom assets, for example. A service will provide multiple entry points, each wrapped in a method. Most services are asynchronous, so will wait on a response with a fiber. Each service method returns different types of information. All service methods responses can be assigned in the constructor. The anonymous class created to generate method references all happen here, and only once per containing class instance. If the class is cached, this will only happen once per app execution. This is a simulated service method where the response occurs after 1/10 of a second. Hence, here we have a fiber being started immediately. Here is a simple context with only one value. Typically, it will be data from both the service communications as well as the service, if all is well. In other words, input and output. This is the service called in the response. It is responsible for all the hard lifting needed with the information provided by the service.